Get your hands off our children, hands off our schools, hands off our families, cause our Lord God rules. Hands off our city, get your hands off our nation, get your butt out of town before you find out what you face.
I started playing drums in church when I was 14. Before that, I was pretty clueless. I didn't know what I was doing around in church. I just came. As in, though at a young age, I felt myself pretty powerless around church. Go for Sunday school, I'd be walking and running around here and there. So that was how I was before serving. Like, it wasn't really a purpose for me coming to church. And it's something I know because I was exposed to a lot more metal music. I was playing outside, and what happened is that in myself I became a lot more angrier person. We had our old drummer Kenneth. What happened was I saw him. He was playing drums in church, so I went up to him one day and told him, "Hey Kenneth, teach me drums. It's really cool." The next Sunday, he bought me a pair of drumsticks at our old church at PK. He brought me drumsticks, and then he started teaching me rudiments. He taught me sticking and all this. Then I started playing. Then later on, we were practicing, and one fine Sunday, Uncle Dennis he called me and said, "Raja, come, go up and play." So I just went up and I went to go play. And ever since then, till today, I've been playing. I was playing metal before for a good 4 years. So I left everything. I changed my whole music style. I started enjoying a lot more blues, a lot more relaxed music, and also I started focusing, playing a lot more in church. I felt that my mind and even my spirit, I felt a lot more peace. I felt a lot more happier, and a lot of things I have to learn, a lot of things I have to change myself in this whole journey. So I know it's going to be a very long journey, and I'm really looking forward to my life to change. So, spiritual life-wise, definitely got a lot more better, because the more you're involved in church, the more you are involved in church activities where you work in the presence of God. You just grow into it. You just find the need to upgrade yourself spiritually, and everything you want to serve, you want to give it your all.
God rules. Hands off our city, get your hands off our nation, get your butt out of town before you find out what you're facing. Get ready.